Nearly 300 inmates are being let out from the Clark County Detention Facility. Thank you so much for joining us at 6 p.m. on this Friday evening. I'm Kirsten Joyce.
And I'm Denise Valdez. The sheriff says the goal is to increase social distancing inside the jail. 8 News Now reporter Joe Moeller is live outside of Metro headquarters where the announcement was made earlier today. Joe?
Denise, the sheriff says 10% of the inmate population will be released. That equals to about 290 people. Now, of these people being released, half of them were released yesterday. The other half will be released today. Now, these are non-violent offenders and offenders that don't have a violent history. Now, he set criteria for those being released. It will be inmates who have served up to 75% of their sentence, inmates who are in jail due to a technical probation violation, also inmates who are medically vulnerable. So far, 4 inmates have tested positive for the virus. 3 of them were released.
It was not an easy decision to reduce the inmate population. As sheriff, my greatest concern is for the safety of this community. The pandemic has presented a situation where I had to balance public safety and the health of LVMPD personnel as well as the inmates.
Now, as far as employees, 127 people have been tested, 12 of them positive. Currently, 87 employees are at home in self-isolation due to possible exposure. The sheriff also spoke about a few other topics today. He said there is a 14.3% uptick in domestic disturbance and violence calls right now. As far as budget shortfalls, right now there is a hiring freeze and all part-time employees have been laid off. Now, as far as those inmates who are released, the sheriff says they will not be required to return to jail. Reporting live here at Metro headquarters this evening, Joe Moeller, 8 News Now.